Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix TikTok not working problem will be fixed. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open the Play Store and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, first of all, update your TikTok app. After this, go back. Now tap on settings and check that you have on activate internet connection. Tap on connection. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi name and tap on forget and connect again. After this, go back and scroll down, tap on your mobile apps and search TikTok app. Now tap on storage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and go back and scroll down. Now after this, check the mobile phone software update. If not update, first of all update your mobile phone software and go back. Now tap on about, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, tap on reset settings and go back. After this, your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.